Hi, I'm Rob Cooper, and after almost 30 years within the stainless steel industry, I'm now the Managing Director of the British Stainless Steel Association. The BSSA, or the Stainless Steel Association, represents the stainless steel industry in the UK and Ireland. What we do overall is also to develop and educate and encourage the use of stainless steel right the way through the UK industrial sectors. Stainless steel in itself is a fully recyclable material with a relatively low CO2 content in comparison to the likes of aluminium or copper. We have some real advantages there in the development and use of stainless steels. Stainless steel is a really important part of the UK manufacturing industry, and increasingly so now as we're developing new, greener economies and we're looking for low life cycle costing and we push forward for net zero. Without stainless steel, much of everyday life couldn't function as it does now. We've got the likes of the NHS, where we've got loads and loads of stainless steel within the medical industry, or things like our scalpel blades and forceps, all made from stainless steel. And what they do is they really utilise the hygienic properties, the way that we can clean stainless steel time and time again. If you look at our food production factories and commercial kitchens, they all use stainless steel because it's so easy to keep clean. We've got excellent high temperature and low temperature capabilities. Again, looking at the medical industry or medical side of things, stainless steel is used in MRI scanners, and those operate down at minus 200 degrees C. A lot of metals, a lot of products couldn't work at those sorts of temperatures. Stainless steel is also really good for corrosion resistance. You couldn't have a chemical industry or a pharmaceutical industry running without the corrosion resistant capabilities of stainless steel. And it's not only that, we also make a beautiful product. You only have to look around at some fantastic architectural and art installations. If you look at architecture, we've got beautiful buildings like the Birmingham New Street Station redevelopment, or if you're looking at art installations, the fantastic 30-metre tall kelpies up at Falkirk in Scotland, 2 horses' heads made out of stainless steel, and they look fantastic. As we move on, or as we're moving into now a more environmentally focused, a more green and net zero economy, the government's really started to focus in on the foundation industries. So those include glass, cement, paper, metals and bulk chemicals. All of these industries that combined are worth over £52 billion per year to the UK economy. Without stainless steel, none of those industries would function in the way that we see them today. There's also a focus on strengthening the supply chain, and again, stainless steel is really important for this. Without a solid supply chain within the industry, none of these aims and objectives towards the green economy and the drive to net zero can happen. And stainless steel is really important and a key driver for all these new green technologies. So what we want to do is, if you want to learn more about this, how or why stainless steel is so important to the UK and the UK economy and UK businesses overall, take a look at the next article that's coming up in the next edition of the Metal magazine, coming out shortly. Thank you, and look, I hope you enjoy the article.